Good morning po mga kasenyor. Kumusta na po kayo? Ngayon pong umaga ay makikipag-join kami sa yung ALS run para po sa kapatid ko ito. At kami yan, medyo nahuli na nga kami pero okay pa rin naman dahil alas 10 po ang umpisa nito. So ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung paglakad na gagawin namin. Mapakarami pong participant dito. Tara po at samahan ninyo kaming mag-anak. Hahanapin namin yung kapatid ko na sasamahan namin sa paglalakad. O sige po mga kasenyor. Light blue raw yung kanila eh.
The ALS Society performs
Ang daming tao.
of the ALS Society.
Yan.
That's good. You're good to go today.
But I want to thank mostly
Asan?
for being here today. So you know, a lot of you are
Oh, Erin na pala yung ito yung utol ko.
Sila Maning.
Oh,
running for
Kumusta?
someone who's
Oh,
a
Fred.
boss,
Ano?
Kumusta? Ito,
for someone who is fighting like a boss. I love that.
How are you?
ALS.
Good, good,
You're
good.
wearing your shirt.
But I want to
Show
tell you
your
something.
shirt.
You're not just
Good, good, good. Kilala mo
you're
naman.
running for someone you've never met.
Oy.
Panganay namin.
Oh, it's Jeremy. Hello.
Oh, you have friends. I
Naku,
have
masama na naman ang...
Sino itong mga itong tabusin?
Because of you, because of
Asan
every
sila?
single one of you
Just
today.
same here. We have
It happened to just a little bit easier. 400 people did ALS in a
Oh,
hurry.
mga kasenyor. Oh.
And sadly, those numbers will continue. But because of you being here
Gusto mo ko? You want donut, anak?
Donuts open.
Ha?
ALS Society,
Kuha mo.
patients
want-
becomes
I want-
easier. Research
Kuha mo.
happens.
Oh, there's a donut. You want
Saan
some?
ba kukuha ko?
It's just
Ayan.
easier. So every single
Calgary
one
donut.
is a hero for doing that. I want to thank you for doing
Eh,
that. Give
kumuha ka at
yourselves a hand.
sabi lang yan yun.
Now that I think about
Ayan,
it, it's
kukuha ng
been
donut. Ay, si
I had
Alice.
2.5 years of glorious retirement. And I didn't go to a whole bunch of these events during that retirement. I wish I had, but now I'm back in the game. I'm back doing this, and I'm remembering the core things that we do at these events. So one of the core things we do at this event
Kumuha
is I
kumuha
want
si
you
Mori.
to stand up if you're sitting, if you can. I want you to look at the person next to you, and I want you to give them a big high five and say thank you for being here. Let's do it now. High five.
High five.
I'm standing here all by myself, so I'm high-fiving every one of you for doing all of that. Because we're in this together.
Oh, high five.
Wala na sa mood.
And you see that I'm wearing my Canada gear today? That's not just for the World Cup.
Okay.
Hindi
ka kumakain. Ang sarap eh, init.
We are so much better than that. We are so much bigger than that. And today, an event like
Yan,
today,
magdodonut muna bago lumakad.
every single day, we live in a community and we look out for one another.
Hi, so good. Welcome to the vlog. How are you? How are you?
Ayan, nag-warm up na yung mga maglalakad. Ayan, hindi na ako sasali.
Don't like jumping, you can just low and step out. Watch your phones.
Ayan, ito naman yung team naman namin. Kulay blue kami. Ayan, ayan yung kapatid ko nga. Tsaka yung misis ko.
Maganda yung kulay nila kasi sa purple ano.
Kanya-kanyang kulay pala eh. Akala ko isang kulay lang eh. Ayan, picture taking.
Go test your balance.
Ayan, mag-uumpisa na ang lakaran. Daming tao mga kasenyor.
Anak, anak.
We got him napkin. We found some. But I'll bring it.
Ngayon ka maalit ha?
Lalakad ako sa isa.
Yeah, I remember that. It's a good time.
I'm sure that's
Ayan. Ang daming tao niya. Mga kasunod.
So the walk will start.
Oh my gosh, there I think still.
Yan, mag-uumpisa. Pupunta na kami sa kwan, sa starting line. Ganyan ka-organize ang mga kwan dito sa amin, mga kasunod. Ang daming tao, pero yan, nasa pa. Pwede na maisama lahat. Maraming volunteer dito.
Here, maybe.
So, ayan mga kasunod. Mag-uumpisa na ang lakad. Sana.
Pinagdagan natin yung book. Tapos sabi niya, I feel you. Sige, kumabot mo ka ako.
ayaw tumas.
Ayaw tumaas ng kamay. Wala. No chance. Ayun, paamo na lang. Ano lang.
Kahit tataas na lang. The guy's crazy, man.
Ano? High five. High five. High five. Oh, there you go. Who's that? Oh.
Those are in Star Wars. High five? No? Oh, you did? Say hi.
Yeah. You high five them?
Who?
The guy
That's Star
with black suit. Who's that?
Dilisan mo. Tulak mo na.
Dapat pala inahubad yung jacket ko.
Ayaw ko daw kay Sandy mo. Ay, tapos na kayo. Dami. Mas marami ngayon kaysa ng tao.
Nahuli na kayo. Ayun na sila, Orson.
Parehas ang shape. Hi, vlog! Hi, vlog!
Ah.
Hello! Hi! Hello!
Nagbibigay sila ng tubig. Oh.
Tapos doon sa kay, ano,
Ayan o, diyan kami naglalakad. Ayan yung lake. So ayan mga ka-senior at kami malapit na doon sa dulo nung papunta one way. So ayan na yung mga pabalik na yung mga nauna. Mahigit 2 kilometro na yung nakalakad namin. Parang 2.5 yung one way nito eh.
See, it's all breezy.
So isang pabalik na lang. So ayan mga ka-senior, narating namin yung dulo. Oh. Papahinga lang ng konti at babalik naman. Ayan, papainom sila rito.
picture.
Okay, go there, go there.
Hindi po yung naglakad ah.
Hindi ah.
Oy, second.
Pangalawa na.
Last year.
Hindi kami nakayari dahil
Tama. Tama.
Hey, picture. Oh.
Ayan, ito na kami sa dulo ng one way. So ayan, mga ka-senior, ako ay babalik naman na. Dadaanan ko yung mag-ina ko na huminto dyan sa isang malilim na upuan dyan sa bandang ibaba. Ito yung mga kasamahan namin na naglalakad. Marami pa yan, nasa so another 45 minutes yung pabalik dahil 2.5 pa uli yung lalakarin namin. So ayun na, nakikita ko na yung mag-ina ko mga kasinyo. Yun, nakapagpahinga na sila. Yung si Will at saka si Mrs. Oh, nakapagpahinga na kayo. Ayun sa huli, nauna na akong kumuhan. Okay, are you okay now? You can walk back. Ayan. Oh, ayan kami.
Malayo pa ba sila?
Ay, iniwanan ko, nagkukuha ng panalitrato dun eh. Ayan. Oh, ayan sila. Oh, ayan na. Oh. Okay, let's go.
Halika na.
Naiwan na yung andyan sila eh.
Ah.
Oh, ayan oh.
We did it! 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 You did it too! Good job! Good job! Oh my God!
Yes. Ngayon natin sila. Oh, sinabitan. Okay, we're gonna take a picture.
Picture to Lola. Picture to Lola. Picture. Picture.
Ibang kulay.
Picture.
Ibang kulay ngayon.
Picture, boys. Go to Lola. Go to Lola. Where is Lola though? Smile. Smile. Smile here. Smile. Nice. Nice. Lola. Go there.
She did well.
Okay.
Ayan,
Smile. Yay. Nice. Nice. I know. Let's go.
panlimang taon na niya ngayon mga ka-senior. So you hug him, you hug him. You hug him.
Kuyang kayo.
Yes. So ayan mga ka-senior, nakatapos kami ng 5 kilometers run. Alay yan sa kapatid ko.
Hey, good watching. That was good. You're faster than me. Yeah.
Your dad? Dad.
Next year I will run.